OneOdio is one of the prominent players when it comes to the perfect audio experience on a budget headphone. They typically retail below $100 and offer excellent value for money. They have brought the cost of professional headphones much more accessible. In this video, we will compare the two headphones, Pro-10 and Pro-50. I've already done a review on the Pro-50. You can check the link above. Starting with the packaging, the Pro-50 comes in a premium looking box compared to the Pro-10. Once you open the packaging, the contents in the box have the same accessories except for the headphones. Both the boxes has 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio jack cable with microphone, 3.5mm to 6.5mm coiled audio jack cable, imitation leather bag for headphones, and manuals. Both the headphones are not wireless, an advantage in terms of no loss in sound quality. The connections are limited to those of two jack cables which have different purposes. A standard 3.5mm to 3.5mm which is ideal for smartphones, tablets or devices that are not really professional, and one from 3.5mm to 6.5mm which especially for the Pro-50 is designed for or ideal for amplifiers, DJ consoles and other professional devices. You will notice the difference once you wear these. The Pro-50 feels very comfortable and Pro-10 is not bad either, though it feels a little tight on my head. Most of them have not complained it though. And here is the real comparison between the OneOdio Pro-50 and the Pro-10, the quality audio. Basically starting from volume, both hold up well without distortion when it is at maximum, and it must be said they isolate very well even without resorting to any noise cancellation. And the Pro-50 has much deeper bass, well-marked mids, never distorted highs, especially in high-resolution music. The Pro-10 however is standard quality audio and they defend themselves very well, and for general use they'll take away a lot of satisfactions. As for the microphones, they are very standard and do a good job for making calls and gaming. To conclude the comparison between these headphones, which have proved to be of very good quality, which do what they have to do without being very famous brands that will certainly have a superior and professional listening mode. But if your needs require less expense, OneOdio Pro-50 over Pro-10 is a more appreciable solution given that they are in the price range that differs probably by 20 or 10 USD. Between the two, if you don't have specific needs, I definitely recommend the Pro-10. But if you make qualitatively higher uses, the Pro-50 should be chosen without a doubt. If you still want something that goes well in both the contexts, the latter should be preferred as it is comfortable too. If you like this video, please click on the like button. Hit on subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. See you in another video.